How to get promo code in Wix 2025 best coupon codes. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be quickly talking about Wix and how you're going to be able to get promo codes for yourself in the easiest and most simplest way. So, to do this for yourself, what you're going to be doing is you're going to come over to your Wix. Now, usually, what would happen is you would only go to marketing, and right here it will give you a discount section, but Wix has removed that section from here. So now the only way to do this for yourself is come up here on search for tools, and right here you can search up promo codes or you can search up discounts for yourself. And what's going to happen is it's going to give you these applications. So it depends on you and which one you want to go with. Now, Coupon X I have found works best with your e-commerce stores or any other type of stores that you have. So what we're going to do over here is we're going to click on add to site because it's totally free. Now, once you click on add to site, it's going to bring you to the Wix installer. So we're simply going to wait for it to install. We're going to click on agree and add. And once you click on agree and add, as you can see, it's going to let you know that you're going to refresh the page and everything should be good to go. And in some cases, the setup might be incomplete. So what you can do is you can add it directly from your site. So you can even go over to design site, and in design site, you can add these discounts or codes for yourself through the applications while editing it. So let me show you how it works. So once you're over here, what you can pretty much do is you can go over to add apps, and once we click on add apps, it's going to open up the Wix app market over here. Now, once the Wix app market has fully loaded in, what you can do is you can go over to manage apps to manage the current apps that you've added. And what you can pretty much do is just click on complete setup. And what it usually does is it goes ahead and fulfills your setup for the application that you're running. Okay. And once you come over here and you complete your setup, obviously Coupon X is going to allow you to go ahead and create the greatest looking coupons that you can manage. And even if this app doesn't work for you, what you can simply do is just come over here. Let's say I'm going to search up discounts. Okay. And once you search up discounts, or you can even search up promo code, going to give you all these different other applications for promo codes as well. So we have these promo code collection apps and a whole lot more to create your great looking promo codes on it. And you can use apps like Forward, Lumpfish Pop-Up, and a whole lot more. But the best app to work with would be CouponX. So yeah, that is basically how you're going to go ahead and start getting promo codes in Wix. So thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.